Yep, you don't need an ice shaving machine to make Korean shaved ice dessert at home. Yep, all you need is a blender to make your Korean shaved ice dessert at home. You guys did a good job destroying this. Nice. Oh, it's so cool. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. So for those of you that are new to Modern Pepper offers Korean cooking lessons for authentic Korean dishes as well as Korean fusion dishes. So if you are new, please consider subscribing. Before we begin, I want to phonetically teach you how to say Bingsu, which is Korean shaved ice dessert. Now, if you have trouble pronouncing Bingsu, please call me, okay? And I will help you out, all right? So to start with, we need some really, really good vanilla ice cream. But hold up. Before we go any further, this is a critical step. What? You always have to make sure the chef is happy. That's the first rule of cooking. And 1 scoop of your finest vanilla ice cream. Ice cream, half a cup of water, and a half a cup of milk. And a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And about 1 cup of ice cubes. Take the top off. Cover it with a paper towel, set it to low speed, and turn the switch on. Then slowly we add the ice, one by one. Then pour our liquid. Pick up your Ziploc bag, fold it at the bottom like here, like so, and push it down. Take out the excess air, seal it, and about 2/3 of the way like so. I want you to fold it over, and we're gonna put this in the freezer and wait for it to turn into slushy ice. We're gonna make our second bingsu slush, which is black coffee. Yep, we're going all out coffee today. Coffee. First and foremost, you always need to start with really, really good coffee beans. I think my brain cells just perked up a little bit. So we need to make really, really strong black iced coffee. And my ultimate favorite way of making really, really yummy single cup of coffee at home is using the AeroPress. So it's easy as taking this plunger and putting it here. And today I'm going to show you the reverse method. There's really nothing like the smell of freshly ground coffee. So I highly recommend using a burr grinder because, I mean, I had this baby and this is the KitchenAid model and it's probably on the very low price point because burr grinders could get so expensive, like so expensive. It's ridiculous. And I've had this particular one for 10 years, and it still grinds my coffee perfectly well. So I highly recommend getting this. Put our metal filter on top, put this on top, and twist to lock it in place. With both hands, we're gonna place it on a cup and wait 2 minutes. Now with your hand securely holding this, we're gonna start pushing down the plunger. Now when you reach the end, you should hear that hissing sound. I so love that hissing sound. So I prefer to have my black coffee strong, and we're still gonna add about a cup of ice to our blender. But if you prefer a little bit less strong taste of your coffee, then add a little more ice. Now make sure to cool down the hot coffee to room temperature. Cover the hole with a paper towel or else you will have an explosion. And I've done that before, so you know, you don't have to do that, okay? Trust me. Now let's turn our blender on. and put it in here. And we're gonna pour our coffee liquid into here. Continue pouring. And then we're gonna take it out and seal the top like so. And put it on a tray, lay it down flat, and we're gonna put this in the freezer. And let me show you how easy it is to clean the AeroPress. Super easy. That's why I use it every day. And you just push it. Quick rinse under running water and just let it air dry. So while the coffee is in the freezer, we are going to make a really pretty garnish for our bingsu. So pretty, so yummy, and so simple. Using a heavy bottom saucepan, we're gonna add half a cup of sugar and a quarter cup of water. Set the heat to medium and just wait for the bubbles to start. This is the color we want, golden brown. Turn the heat off, move to the back, and let the syrup cool down. So after it cools down, this is the consistency we're looking for. So this is the fun part, but you know, it's like you have to make a lot of these to kind of get the one that works out for the decoration. So, you know, just keep on going. This one's my favorite, so let's try to lift it. So you want to make sure everything cools down for at least 10 minutes. And then just gently pick it up. And voila, it's a success. And you really need a pretty bowl to serve your bingsu. I mean, some cafes that I've been to, they actually make an ice bowl to serve their bingsu. Oh, it is so fancy and so cool. Make sure to put it in the freezer so it's nice and cold, and will keep our bingsu shaved ice cooler and stop it from melting quickly. Okay, so here's our ice slush. And depending on how powerful your freezer is, it could take literally 5 minutes or 30 minutes. So just keep an eye on it. If you happen to overfreeze, not to worry, because all you need is a rolling pin. And this is the consistency we're looking for. So here's our coffee slush. Right now it's frozen perfectly for me because I could see clusters of coffee, but if you kind of let it go over and it's kind of really in big chunks, again with a rolling pin, you want to smush everything to one side and using scissors cut the corner off, and then you just pour it into the bowl. Now pack it down a little bit. All right, so we gotta continue dressing our bingsu before it melts. And a big scoop of coffee ice cream. It is so pretty that I don't even want to like mess with it, but somebody has to, so I guess I will. Here's a bite with everything on it, all in one spoon, into my mouth. Here we go. It's big. Mmm. Ooh. Oh, it's so cold. So there's so many flavors of coffee here. The coffee, the sort of strong bitter taste from the black coffee slush that we made. And then we have the white bingsu slush, which is mild but with a slight taste of vanilla. Very, very subtle. And then you have the coffee ice cream as that creamy background in your taste. And then the espresso beans are like a burst of more caffeine and coffee taste in your mouth. Oh my goodness. If you are a coffee fan, you got to have this. And then our sugar syrup that we made, it just gives you this like sticky, sweet, sugary taste in your mouth. And then I had a little piece of the mint, and the mint is like adding this like aroma of peppermint taste in my mouth all together. I can't even, do I even need to say? So good, so good. Try it, you must try it. So as this melts, I just want to drink the liquid. That was good. If you have not subscribed yet, click on that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. So until then, happy Bingsu time with your friends and family. Bye now. What? Did you think I was gonna waste all this? No way. That's good. Okay, I have to say goodbye now. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.